Hey there, I'm Amy Freena, and today we're tackling a question about car insurance that comes up a lot. What's the difference between comprehensive and collision coverage? Both of these are types of auto insurance that help pay for damage to your car, but they kick in under different circumstances. Collision coverage is pretty much what it sounds like. If you hit another car, a tree, a pole, anything like that, collision is what helps cover the cost to repair your vehicle. So whether it's a fender bender or a single car accident, this one's got your back. Comprehensive coverage, on the other hand, is for the everything else category. Think things like theft, vandalism, fire, hail, a tree branch falling on your car, even hitting an animal. If it's not a crash, but it still causes damage, comprehensive usually steps in. Now, both of these usually come with a deductible. That's the amount that you pay out of pocket before your insurance kicks in. They also pay out up to the fair market value of your car if it's completely lost or totaled. Wondering if you need both? Well, that depends. If you're leasing or financing your car, your lender probably requires them. But if your car is paid off, it's totally up to you to decide what kind of protection you want. So, quick recap. Collision covers crashes. Comprehensive covers just about everything else. Stay safe on the road, and I'll catch you next time.